this video, we're going to look at how to use a method called the turnaround method to find factors of a given term. Now, to do this, you're going to need to use your divisibility rules that we've discussed in the previous lesson, and also some knowledge of your basic multiplication facts. Now, I like this strategy because it is almost a guarantee for you to find all the factors of any given term. Now, let's take a look at how this works. Let's start with the term 24. Now, all I'm going to do is start listing its factors starting with 1. So I ask myself, will 1 go into 24? Yes, 1 goes into all numbers. How about 2? Well, 24 is even, so 2 will go into it. 3. Well, 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 goes into 6, so 3 will go into 24. How about 4? Well, you just got to know that yes, 4 goes in there. It's because 4 times 6. 5, nope, does not end in a 5 or 0. How about 6? Well, 2 and 3 both go into it, so 6 will. Now, 4 and 6, here's our turnaround. It's our turnaround because 4 times 6 equals 24, and those two factors are right next to each other. So that's our turnaround. Now we just walk back down, or turn around, to find the rest of them. So I think to myself, 3 times what gets me 24? That would be 8. 2 times 12. And finally, 1 times 24. So using this turnaround method, you find the factors of 24 to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Let's take a look at another example. Let's look at the term 16. Now once again, let's start with 1. Yes, 1 will go into 16. 1 goes into every number. How about 2? Well, it ends in a 6, so it's even, so 2 works. 3, 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 will not go into 7, so it will not go into 16. How about 4? Well, 4 will go into 16. Now this is actually the turnaround all by itself, because 4 times 4 gets you 16. So here's our turnaround, and we think 2 times 8 and 1 times 16. So those would be all the factors of the term 16. One more example. Let's look at 13. Alright, 1 will go into 13 because 1 goes into all numbers. 2, not even. 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 won't go into 4 evenly. 4, no, it's odd, so that's usually a good indicator. 5, no, does not end in a 5 or 0. 6, well, 2 and 3 didn't go into it, so 6 won't. 7, well, if I count by 7s, I start with 7 and then 14, so 13 won't work. How about 8? Well, it's not even. 9, well, 1 plus 3 is 4, 9 won't go into 4. 10, doesn't end in a 0. How about 11? Well, usually 11s are doubles, so 11, 22, so that doesn't work. 12? No, 12 and then 24. So the only one left is 13. Now in a case like this, you notice we did not use the turnaround method, but we still used our rules of divisibility. Okay? Hopefully this video helps you understand a little bit more about the turnaround method.